Greetings! Today I am checking out a mystery box from becauseracecarbox. So without further ado, let's crack it open. So the mystery boxes were a limited run of becauseracecarboxes, and the cool thing about these is that I have no idea what is in this. With the normal monthly boxes, you may see some other people on Instagram or whatever opening them up before yours arrives, so you can kind of get some spoilers as to what's inside it. But with the mystery box, I have no idea. Ta-da! Alright, so as normal, lots of packing peanuts. Get rid of these. Okay, so the very first thing on top, detailing wands, precision cleaning tools, made by becauseracecarbox. So these are pretty useful, pretty handy. In particular, right now I can think of something that I could definitely be using these for, which is on my RS, the parking sensors. They're like circles with like these little divots in them, and the little divots gather a lot of dirt, which is very difficult to get off, so these will be very useful for that. Next up we have Armor Synthetic Wax from Simple Wax. Check that out. So obviously that's a wax which is synthetic. So that's, you can see it's got like a clear wax, so probably good for most paint colors. Doesn't really have much of a smell. Very neutral sort of smell, but nice little thing of wax, always useful. Okay, more packing peanuts. So next thing, what's this? Black Sheep Detailing Bubblegum Wax Infused Shampoo. Alright, so I'm going to assume this smells like bubblegum. It does. Very subtle bubblegum flavour. But I bet that'll smell real nice once you mix it up. Seems good and decently thick, very nice. Obviously shampoo is shampoo, seems like a decent amount in there, do a good few cleans. Very nice. Okay, so we have some Chemical Guys New Car Smell Premium Air Freshener and Odor Neutralizer. So I have some Chemical Guys stuff already. I have the Mango Cello, which is the exact same sort of stuff as this, and it is super nice and works really well. You just spray it around, spray it like underneath seats, maybe spray it around the air vents. Gives you some real nice fresh air in your car. So let's see, use my knife to open this up. Let's see if it actually smells anything like that new car smell that we all know and love. Very tightly packed in here. There's a closer look anyway, without that packaging stuff. So let's see. Yeah. It's kind of hard to put my finger on exactly what that smells like, but it is very fresh, very kind of, yeah, just very fresh kind of smell. So yeah, it'll be interesting to use this in the car and actually see if it gives it that sort of new car smell. Let's see what it says on the back. New car smell. The smell of a new car was once a temporary scent that many people tried their best to hold on to. Now with Chemical Guys New Car Scent Premium Air Freshener, you can replicate the most sought after scent anytime. Chemical Guys New Car Smell creates a new car scent that is simply fantastic. Now you can have that new car smell forever. Not sure if it's going to be that good, but you know, they're certainly bigging it up. Next up, this is a very large item. The Winning Touch WT5 Pristine Protection Speed Detailer, which is awesomely pink in color. So yeah, this is a real big bottle, big quality looking spray top, very bright pink. I'm really into speed detailers or quick detailers. They're really handy, obviously, for shows and stuff, but even just in general, if you need to give your car a quick freshen up, a quick top up without having to go to the bother of fully cleaning it, maybe just remove some finger marks or whatever, really handy, and should give a really nice extra bit of shine. So pristine protection is the quickest and easiest way to top up your paintwork shine in one quick and easy application. Pristine protection applies a layer of wax to paintwork which helps water to bead off and to protect paintwork. Yeah, so awesome stuff, and it's like I said, it's like a full-size thing. Really awesome. This will last for a good little while. Okay, so we have a Did I Almost Had You air freshener from becauseracecarbox. I've had a couple of these. They're really nice. They smell like watermelon. Really nice, like watermelon chupa chups, like sort of candy, you know, like one of those lollipop things. And obviously they look iconic. Super duper awesome, super duper cool. More packing peanuts. Yes, some nice black gloves. Detailing gloves, very important. You don't want to cover your hands in too many different weird chemicals. Some detailing products are like really heavily colored, which can like color your hands. So detailing gloves, very handy. More packing peanuts. Get out of there. And we have, this is actually our final piece, which is a very nice plush microfiber, good size, no labels to damage paintwork. Feels real good. I believe I got one of these in one of my other becauseracecarboxes, and it's great. Absolutely fantastic. And you can never have too many microfibers. So, yeah. There we go. That is the mystery box. Mystery has been solved. So yeah, there we go. That is the mystery box. Unboxed. Lots of really awesome stuff, really great value. So if you ever see becauseracecarbox doing these mystery boxes, I highly recommend you jump on them because they are limited edition. You can't, I believe they're already sold out, and you get all this awesome stuff and it costs less than a normal box, so just jump on it if you ever see it again. It also gives a good idea of what becauseracecarbox offers in their monthly subscription boxes, which you can also of course buy as one-offs. And if you do end up going for a subscription box or a one-off or any of their individual accessories, make sure that you put in discount code ADAM and you'll get 10% off your order. So I hope you like this box, I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe for more content to come very soon. Thank you once again. Goodbye.